all are well aware that in general science and ability or any subject of TSS, we have to give reference. Like here, if you can see American Heritage Dictionary Definition 3, Math, they have defined probability. So what is probability? A number of expressing the likelihood of occurrence of specific event. Here they are talking about events such as the ratio of a number of experimental results that would produce the event to the total number of results and considered possible. I know this is a little bit difficult definition, so let me define. See, first of all, they are talking about the events, like what event is going to occur, and then they are talking about the ratio. Ratio means we can say 2:5, or if we convert ratio to a fraction, we can say 2/5. So this is how we write probability. Uh, so the total number of results. Okay, so now the 2 is the experimental result, okay, that the event would produce, and 5 is the total number of events. So I was just going to define it, uh, or I was just defining it, but now we will move further. So here I am going to start it from the basic concept that probability is the likelihood of something happening. So we are just going to see how what is probability and how we can put probability on the scale. So now, as we all know that we have a scale here from 0 to 1, and there is an in between 0.5. We can say even chance is for half. Then there is a concept unlikely, that is less than, we can say less than the half, or 0 means impossible, that can never be possible. Likely is greater than half, like we can say it could be 0.9 or something like that, and 1 is 100%, we can say is 100%, that is exactly going to happen, that is certain. So now I have just ranked few events on the probability scale to make you understand about the concept. So here, if you can see, I told you that 1/2 is the half, or we can say even chance. The word we use for the 50% thing is even chance. Now, how the probability of a coin for head and tail is half. Now, we have only two sides of a coin, like head, tail. That means the total possible outcomes are 2. Now, in how many ways a head can come? There is only one way in which a head can come, so probability of head is 1. And how many ways a tail can come? So there is only one way a tail can come, so they both have same probability, 50%. Whenever you toss a coin, it is possibility like the head will come, or it is possibility like the tail will come. Now let's move to the left hand side of the number line. So here it is unlikely. On unlikely I have written winning the lottery. अब इसको हम ये भी कह सकते थे कि it can be possible, or there is an even chance of winning the lottery, but why I have ranked it on unlikely thing? Because if हमने टिकट ही नहीं ली, so how there is a possibility, or how there is an even chance that we are going to win a lottery? Uh, and we are not saying it impossible, because we can go and buy a ticket. So first of all, we need to buy a ticket. If we haven't, then it is unlikely. But अब हमारे पाकिस्तान में अगर टिकट ही ख़त्म हो गई है, तो फिर तो impossible है ना. If there is no concept of lottery or lottery tickets, then we will rank it on impossible. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, now rolling a 7 on a dice. If you have ever played a Ludo, you can see there are only 6 sides, or we can say 6 possibilities that a number can come. So there is no 7 on a dice, so we can say it is impossible. Similarly, if we move to the likely side, I haven't written any likely event. I can say you will receive a text today. There is an even chance as well, or I can say you will receive a text from your friend today. So that is likely, because sometimes we all have cell phones these days, and we all receive a text from someone, or like maybe from the Ufone, Telenor, etc. So this is how we are going to move it. Now we are going to move for certain thing. So the sun will rise in the morning. अब ये तो एक universal truth है ना. We just put certain events that are universally true. Like I will breathe today. That is certain. I will drink water today. That is certain. Because बेशक हम एक ड्रॉप ही वाटर का पिए लेकिन इट इज सर्टेन ना. सिमिलरली द सन विल राइज इन द मॉर्निंग, इट इज सर्टेन, बट इफ आई से द सन विल rise in the evening, then we will go and rank it on the impossible thing. Let's move forward. Now there are a few other events that I have ranked here. So the probability scale, the chance of an event happening can be shown on a probability scale. Again, I have just ranked few events for your basics, that what is probability and how do we rank it in our daily lives. I have just given the example. So here, if you can see on impossible, the sun won't rise tomorrow. As I told you, कि ये तो एक यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है ना कि सन भाई होगा राइज, जो मर्जी हो जाए, बेशक बादल हैं तो वी कैन सी अ लिटिल बिट सन, वी नो कि दिन होगा. So how can we say that it is certain or likely, or so it is impossible. On unlikely, we can say a day of week starts with a T. It is unlikely. क्यों unlikely है? Because the day of the week starts with M. The next baby being born a girl, even chance, because we have only two genders in our world, like a girl or a boy. So there are only two possibilities. Total possibilities are two. If the girl is born, then it is one. If the boy is born, it is still one. So they both have even chance. Uh, so if likely you will receive a text today, as I told you, because we all have cell phone. Sometimes ऐसा होता है कि there is no network, so हमें text नहीं receive होता. But mostly इसलिए हमने उसको even chance पे नहीं रखा. But mostly we receive a text. So that's why we can say that it is live. A square have four right angles. If we draw a square here, they have four right angles: 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. This theory is given by mathematicians, and that's true. That is like we are just having this thing, so it is certain. Now let's move to the mathematical form of probability. Now I'll give you 5 more seconds, like 5 seconds, and you need to think about what is the probability of tossing a coin for head and tail. Do think about it. So, if we move to the probability of head, I told you there are only two sides of a coin. Like this is head, this is tail. So we can say the total outcomes are 2. And for head, this is the head. So there is only one way we are going to receive a head. The total outcomes for the coin is 2, and there is only one way that we are going to receive a tail. So this is how we, first of all, we need to think about कि हमारे पास possibilities कितनी है total. अब मैंने कहा कि let's suppose मेरे पास 6 glasses हैं. The one glass is red and other 5 are blue. So what is the probability of getting a glass that is red? So I can say only one glass is red and total glasses are 6. This is for the red glass, and if I say the probability for the blue one, so I can say total blue glasses are 5 and the outcome or total possible outcomes are 6. Okay. Now we will move to our rolling a dice. It's very easy. You just need to think about it, but how it works. Let's see. When a dice is thrown, there are 6 possible. आपको पता है कि there are 6 possible, like 2, 6, 3, 4, 1, 5. So total possibilities are 6. So the probability of any one of them, अगर तो वो सिंगल साइड की probability मांग रहे हैं तो हमने उसको 1/6 ही लिखना है. No matter if they are asking for 6, they are asking for 5. So see, probability of a 6, there is only one way that we are going to get a 6. We will write it as 1/6. Probability of an even number. So अब even number कितने आते हैं डाइस में? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 2 is the even number, 4 is the even number, 6. So total possibilities क्या even number आने की 3. So we will write it as 3/6. But अब आपने इतना तो मैथ्स किया ही हुआ है, तो आपको पता होगा कि वी कैन रिड्यूस दिस नंबर इफ वी divide the friction with same number, we will just get another new number that is in the simplest form. This is 1 by 2, a multiple of 3. Now you have to see how many multiples of 3 are there. So 3 and 6, there are two multiples of 3, so we can say 2 by 6, and if we reduce it, divide it with the 2, the numerator and denominator, we will get 1 by 3. Okay, so a number greater than 4. Now you need to see how many numbers are greater than 4. There are two numbers like 5 and 6 that are greater than 4 here, so we will say 2 by 6, and if we reduce it, we will get 1 by 3. A number less than 4. Now you have to see how many numbers are there that are less than 4. आपको सिर्फ ये फोकस करना है कि ये कह क्या रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन में लिखा क्या है. Read the question again and again and then try to solve it. So a number that is less than 4, there are three numbers that are less than 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we will write it as 3 by 6, or it is 1 by 12. Now they are talking about a 1. So here they talked about the 6. और हमें ये भी पता है कि probability of any one of them, you need to focus on this. Any one of them is 1 by 6. So there is only one way we are going to get a 1 in a die. So we will write it as one way by the total possible outcomes that are 6. So let's move forward with another example. There are 6 marbles in a bag, 4 are blue and 2 are red. Now you need to first collect the data, whatever they have said. They said there are 6 marbles. The total marbles are 6 in a bag, 4 marbles are blue and 2 marbles are red. So we can say total, like total marbles are 6, blue marbles are 4 and red is 2. हमने क्या किया कि डेटा कलेक्ट कर लिया, अब हमारे पास एक डेटा आ गया. नाउ मूव फॉरवर्ड. जब आप अपना डेटा साइड पे कर लेंगे ना, इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू. अब आप साथ साथ रीड कर रहे हो, जस्ट अपना डाटा साइड पे करते जाओ. इससे क्या होगा कि आपको बार बार रीड नहीं करना पड़ेगा. देन यू कैन फोकस ऑन द क्वेश्चन और द लास्ट पार्ट, वट एवर दे आर आस्किंग फॉर. So what is the probability that blue marble gets picked? Now they are asking for only blue. So how many blue marbles are there? 4. We can say 4. And the total